This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the ride. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that.
Wall Street Pete Crypto in Crypto. Anyone ever hear the words to this song? Pretty interesting. What's their favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Of course you do. But right now, a lot of people are going to see some falls. We're going to see what's going on. Wall Street Pete Crypto in Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride, hopefully to the moon and damn, hopefully soon. But this ride is to the butt kicking to the downside. Thank you so much. 1.7K subscribers. We went above and beyond and back below and up and above. People like to hit the subscribe and off, on and off very much. But if you are interested in crypto and you like technical analysis in the crypto news every day, possible coming to you with a live or a short, well, then this might be the channel for you. Gentleman who gives it to you is real as steel. He used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange, actually in Manhattan, New York. So I hope you do appreciate the lives and the content. Thank you so much. Let's get into it, though. Terraform Labs files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Not much to talk about here, but we're just giving you an update. I figured, hey, it's crypto news. Let's talk about it real quick. And in Delaware right now, following the collapse of its cryptocurrencies in 2022, some people got hurt. There's about, I believe, 100 to 199 people being affected. According to the court document filed today, Labs estimated assets and liabilities range from 100 million to 500 million. And that number of creditors we discussed anywhere from 100 to almost 200 people. So just giving you an up-to-date total crypto market cap coming shortly. And yesterday was 1.58. Oh, we just got rid of one of the crypto news that we didn't want to get rid of, but we'll bring it right back up. We actually got rid of the total crypto market cap, which is no big deal. Non-fungible tokens up 12.5%. CryptoPunks top sales volume charts. So we'll see what's going on with that. Are the NFTs coming back? Some may say that, top CryptoPunks among the top 10 collections by sales volume. CryptoPunks made the NFT news rounds and took the first spot with over 3.5 million. So I'm giving you some up-to-date news. And real quick, this is how fast we could bring it back. Oh, we have it. I have it. Excuse me. So I'm wondering what we lost. Probably just the channel. I don't know what we lost, but we'll talk about it. But this was the chart I brought to you yesterday. You could watch the video yesterday if you'd like. It was the last live. And I said to you that, hey, I'm going to put this in thick yellow. Thick yellow. Why? Well, this is Bitcoin. And I said, because this is the most likely scenario I believe will fall back. And if you look at the total crypto market cap, that's what I missed. 1.52. So we're continuing to fall. Yesterday was 1.58. Good morning, Gary. Nice to have you in the live. I said the most likely scenario for me is going to be the buyback at the 38.2 pullback, which is $38,632.50 if you want to get down to the nitty gritty. Now, if we continue to fall, but right now currently getting a little bit of a wick, you can see I'm hopefully getting a hammer. That would be very nice because if we get the hammer, we would then finish up above about here, 39,300 or and a half, and then we would continue the next candle going up. This is a daily candle, so hit the like and subscribe if you yet to do so. We kind of called this, so we'll see what happens. Maybe come back up, pump fake, dead cat bounce, and retest. But I'm hoping that don't happen because then we'd be more likely to touch down the next level. So it's more often the touch that 36,000 is going to be very, very important. It can happen. It is possible. And if you don't remember, please let me remind you. January of this year. I mean, what have we been doing? Right? We got to talk about it. 2023, if you watch January coming in, we were trading 15,800 at points coming into December, and 16.9, 16 and a half. Look at this. We need a correction. If we keep going up, something awful is going to happen. So you may think that this is something awful that's happening currently right now, but this is great stuff. So coming all the way down, you can see all the way what we did from the January, 12 months ago, 205% on your Bitcoin. You have to really pay attention, open up your ears, open up your eyes, zoom it in, and understand what you are dealing with. You're getting into an asset that is already up in the last 12 months, 205%. You have to keep that in mind. You're not getting into something cheap, right? 39,000 seems cheap from the all-time high. We talked about it falling. It is falling. This is what you'll get. Weekly chart, but now we got to break it down, get closer to the time frame. You can see here we're looking for a little bit more fall. I'm getting concerned here on the 4-hourly, or the daily, excuse me. 4-hourly show me an oversold zone, but that doesn't really make me want to buy yet. Even though I said I'm going to dollar cost average, waiting actually for the bank to open up so I can get more liquidity in. You can see right there, waiting for a crossover to the top. Then usually we head up, but right now the trend is your friend. You can see right now the trend is to the downside all the way from this exact double top. So we will find out what is the bottom. So the bottom for this is either probably here. I'm strongly thinking we're going to get somewhere around this zone. I'm concerned. Why? It's 38,618. That's what it seems to be. So 38.20. Maybe we get to make these a little smaller. Well, there it is. I got the price up. 37.7. Excuse me. That was incorrect. 37.7. Let's get them back to 14. They were nice levels. You could see more on the chart when the price was a little smaller. So you see what I mean? So that's Bitcoin, just talking about it. Ethereum coming in now, doing something similar. We had the downtrend for Ethereum, and this yellow line seems to be hitting support perfectly on here. Each candle representing a 4-hourly. You can see maybe we get a little dead cat bounce, but the trend is still down. As I said, we're waiting for that to flip. Once that does flip, we'll be happy, but we're not going to get any of that price action till about above the 2,400 for Ethereum. So very important for those two to be talked about. Is there anything else on here that I can do? We got Prime. I was hoping Hugh was here. Hugh, I wanted to know what is the abbreviations. So Hugh, if you're watching, what are the abbreviations of Prime token? I was looking it up. There was a couple of them, and one on Coinbase. It was Eckline or whatever. I want to make sure I have the right one. You can see Solana. We kind of nailed Solana a little bit. Expected to come down just a little bit more. But you can see here what's going on around that 73 range seems to happen often. I think this was a Fibonacci we did. And we might be, no, this isn't accurate, because if it was accurate, we'd be all the way up here, right where that double top formed. And then you'd get a more action price level here telling you where we'd be. And looks pretty good, though. We still have this consistency here. Golden pocket we broke on Solana. That was about $81. If we're looking at this correctly, let's see if we are correct. Yeah, we do have it set up correctly. So now we do for 100% on the 4-hourly. I'm looking at this. And we are breaking below the 38.2 and finishing. So that usually tells me we get a bounce off here. We're good. If not, we continue to go down all the way to about that $70 range. I did a video on that as well. So my name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. I just try to keep a quick update for you. I do think that Bitcoin is going to go down just a little bit more, test down, maybe perhaps get a dead cat bounce, because it's weird. All the big investors buy the rumor, sell the news, and it's going down, right? What's going on? I know exactly what's going on. They're just dipping their toes, like Dipto and Crypto. Remember that, Alex? They're just dipping their toes into the sand and just getting a little touch, and they're probably happy they did, because it's going down. I'm sure this is figured to be done purposely. Manipulation is what it's called. So what will happen is they'll continue to buy. They'll dollar cost average into this, and they'll just do it harder and harder, and I mean that. And what do I mean by that is, well, they'll invest $500,000 at the Bitcoin spot ETF approval, and then what they'll do is they'll start adding $1 million each dip like this one. And what you'll see is what happens is their dollar cost average method is that they will own Bitcoin a lot cheaper than the first time they actually purchased it at a really high level. So a lot of people wanted to say and give me shit that, oh, Bitcoin's been out for forever. What do you mean? Everyone almost FOMO'd in, and it's like, guys, pay attention to what's going on. The Bitcoin ETF really got everyone excited. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Hope you enjoy some of the content. Some of the levels that we talked about in the Fibonacci sequence is real still. You got to watch it. Golden pockets hit all the time, but you do get a 15, really. When it's in a bull strong market, you get about a 15 to 35% pullback. So that's what we're going to look forward going on this next pump. When we finally start pumping, when we finally start getting some positive, and it's going to happen fast, and the price action is going to go up really quick. You're not going to be able to, it's called parabolic. You're looking up if you don't know it, but we're going to get there, and what's going to happen is some of these assets are going to go down 15%, 35% really quickly, and you're going to be amazed at how fast they just keep going up during the bull cycle. So my name is Wall Street Pete, Crypto and Crypto. None of this is financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I appreciate everyone. 1,700 subscribers, all-time high subscribers. We thank you so much. We will continue to update you with shorts, lives, videos. Perhaps we start doing live videos at nighttime. I'd love to do that, where we talk about your crypto asset and then you tell me back and forth. We just go back and forth. I would love to get somebody on the show, though. That would be my most important next move. Let's see if we can collab with someone and get someone in on the show and have somebody else talking besides Wall Street Pete. Have a great day, everyone. Trade safe and love y'all. Take care. And most of all, please don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you.